Alright. Alright, I got these laser guided dogs. See this? That adorable face? It's as deadly as a cruise missile with my new laser guided missile tracker thing. They're eager to destroy a target that is clearly visible. They're also good at sneaking out hidden targets. Move, you piece of poop. Are you down there? Nope, not under the bed. What about the closet? Stop! You're gonna...
I stole your invention!
No, I haven't even...
Doofenshmirtzapus! Doofenshmirtz the platypus! I'll steal your invention!
Move, you little UAV missile! Attack that
Just
point.
for the record, no, you.
Attack that location. Oh, no, you don't. Open the door. Open the door.
Unlock the door.
Hey, got my...
I have a lot of locks.
Attack him!
What are you trying to sell me? Hey, doggy, say. Hey, doggy.
Yes, yes, it's working. Laser guided dogs. Laser guided puppy.
Oh, hi, good boy.
I bet you can call that the enemy was destroyed completely. Right in his butt. Put it.
Hi, Asper. I actually didn't do that much. I fell.
Laser guided dogs.
Didn't do anything.
Give me money for my patent pending.